Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can merge or join cells in your databases and tables on Notion using the power of the artificial intelligence here in Notion. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your page, your database on Notion, and let me go with this one here and give it the name, I don't know, test page or test table or something like that. So guys, what you want to do is add a table. First, as you can see, I already created that one here, but let me start all over with a new table. So click into that open text field below where it says right press space for AI and so on and so forth for commands. So give the command to create a table by entering / and then table, just like that, and you will see the command amongst these filtered results below. So let me go for table, and after that, simply fill your table with, or your cells with content, like in this case here 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, 4 and 6 and so on and so forth. So to merge these cells, guys, simply highlight these with your left mouse, click into these 6 dots in the top left corner, and after that click into Ask AI or use the shortcut Ctrl+J here or Command+J if you're using a Mac, and after that here into that field give the artificial intelligence the command or the prompt to merge your columns. So simply click or type in merge and then columns, press enter, wait for the result, and there you go. After that you will be given the opportunity to accept the result, as you can see, or to discard it, or to give the artificial intelligence the command to try again with a slightly different prompt this time. So let me go with accept, and there you go. As you can see, these cells have been merged into one cell here with these values, and that's how you do it, guys. That's how you merge cells in your Notion workspace or your databases. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.